Hello, my name is Christopher Brook from Brook Insurance, and one of the most common questions we get is how can I keep the cost of my auto insurance down when I have a son or a daughter that I'll be driving shortly? Great question, and we'd love to speak with you in advance of you purchasing a car for your son or daughter. There's a few strategies you can have. If they have a B or better average in school, get us a copy of their report card, either in high school or college, and we can add a good student discount. If they take on the road driver's training classes, so that's when they actually have a driver in the car, and it used to be a 6 hour class, I believe it still is. They get a certificate for that, there's a discount for that. And the other option is to have the right ratio of cars and drivers on your auto policy. So if there's three drivers on your policy and now you have a fourth driver starting, now everyone is a part-time driver because there's three vehicles and four drivers. If you have three drivers and three cars, everyone is a full-time driver. That's a more ideal situation because then at that point in time we assign drivers to each vehicle. So obviously, the youngest driver is not going to be driving mom's BMW, so we take the youngest driver and we put them on the oldest car, and that helps keep the rates down. The other item that you have in your control is the type of car that you're buying for the young driver. Obviously, most of us started out driving old clunkers, and that's highly recommended from an insurance standpoint in terms of rates. Now, obviously, all the kids want new, shiny, and mom and dad, work very hard and would love to give them that new and shiny car, but that oftentimes takes collision and comprehensive coverage. And when you have a loan on a vehicle, you have to put full coverage on it, collision and comprehensive, and that greatly, greatly increases your premiums. If you have an old 10 or 15-year-old car that's still in good working order, that's ideal because they'll only pay the increased liability. That increased liability is drivers under the age of 30. If you're male, under the age of 24. If you're female, pay an increased rate for car insurance because most frequently they're at a much higher percentage of accidents than drivers that are over 30 years old or over 24 if you're a female. So those are things that are in your control. If you'd like to discuss your unique situation, by all means, give us a call at 401-381-1350. You can email me at chrisandbrook@shore.com. If you're not currently a client, please go to our website, www.brookandsure.com, and you can put in your information to get real-time auto and home quotes. Thank you for listening, and as always, be safe.